Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Empower Secure Access step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Empower login page in your web browser. Locate the URL bar at the top of your browser window. Type in the web address for Empower and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the login button. Click on the login button to access the login portal. You will see fields to enter your username and password. Carefully enter your username in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. Ensure that your password is typed correctly. For added security, check if there is an option for two-factor authentication. If prompted, follow the instructions to complete the two-factor authentication process. Once all credentials are entered, click the Submit button. Wait for a few moments as the system processes your information. If your information is correct, you will be granted access to your Empower account. In case of any errors, review your username and password for accuracy. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password if necessary. After successful login, you will have access to your Empower dashboard. Explore the various features available to you upon logging in. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.